Hello guys, welcome back. This is Misaf with my YouTube channel IELTS and Academic Writing. Today you are going to learn how to write an abstract, and this video is helpful for those students who are doing research projects at their master, MPhil or PhD level. And at the end of the video, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Let's start business of the day. First of all, we will learn when to write an abstract. You will almost always hear to include an abstract when number one, completing a thesis or dissertation, number two, submitting a research paper to an academic journal, number three, writing a book proposal, number four, applying for research grants. And it is easiest to write your abstract last because it is the summary of the work you have already done. Your abstract should be a self contained text, not an excerpt from your paper. Number two, be fully understandable on its own. And the number three, last one, reflect the structure of your larger work. Next, we start step 1, introduction. Start by clearly defining the purpose of your research. You can include some brief context on the social or academic relevance of your topic, but don't go into detailed background information. This part of the abstract can be written in the present or past simple tense, but should never refer to the future as the research is already complete. For example, this study will investigate the relationship between coffee consumption and productivity. This is incorrect because writer used future tense in this sentence, and the correct form is this study investigates the relationship between coffee consumption and productivity. And step 2, methods. Next, indicates the research methods that you used to answer your question. This part should be a straightforward description of what you did in one or two sentences. It is usually written in the past simple tense as it refers to completed action. For example, structured interviews will be conducted with 25 participants. This is incorrect because he used, you can say, future tense, and the correct form is structured interviews were conducted with 25 participants. And don't evaluate validity and obstacles here. The goal is not to give an account of the methodology, strength, and the weakness, but to give the reader a quick insight into the overall approach and procedures you used. The next step is about results. This step summarizes the main research results. This part of the abstract can be in the present or past simple tense. For example, our analysis has shown a strong correlation between coffee consumption and productivity. Number two, our analysis shows a strong correlation between coffee consumption and productivity. And third one, our analysis showed, this is a past tense, our analysis showed a strong correlation between coffee consumption and productivity. Depending on how long and complex your search is, you may not be able to include all results here. Try to highlight only the most important findings that will allow the reader to understand your conclusions. And the last step is about discussions. In this step, you should discuss the main conclusions of your research. What is your answer to the problem or question? The reader should finish with a clear understanding of the central point that your research has proved or argued. Conclusions are usually written in the present simple tense. For example, we concluded that coffee consumption increased productivity. This is incorrect because the writer here is using simple past tense. And the correct form is we conclude that coffee consumption increased productivity. At the end of the video, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.